Here is a rundown of the Macintosh system versions. I have versions 1 through 4. I couldn't find a copy of 5 that would work with what I have. And then I have 6 and 7. Now, a couple of these you can install. One of these you can install, and some of these you can use. Well, programs that I have, like ClarisWorks, it can only work on system 6 and 7 and up. So you can find software for these. I mean, it depends on whether you're using them on actual physical hardware or you're virtualizing like I am. I will tell you that I have a customized, I want to call it, version of Mini vMac to run it at higher resolution. It's using a Mac 2 ROM, but yeah. Some of these I can't run in higher resolution, some I can. As you can see, the ones that have an E next to it, I can run in the enhanced, as I call it, version of Mini vMac. So I'll run through what you can do with the base operating systems, and starting with System 6, I'll show you what ClarisWorks can do. System 1, I have to start in native resolution, and I will do System 1.1G. Boom, done. And this is Macintosh System Software 1.1G, and this is basically it. This is an There, that's basically pretty much Notepad. And then you have alarm clock. You can set it for different times, dates, alarms. Alright, and puzzle, number puzzle. We all know those cheap Dollar Tree ones. Scrapbook is, I'm not even getting into that. Keycaps is basically on-screen keyboard. And the calculator we moved it, plus 4 equals 8. Doesn't show you the ticker tape. Control panel. And this, honestly, this is meant to be simple, but this is one of the most confusing control panels I've ever seen. Even Windows, well, maybe not as bad as Windows 8, but this is the volume, date and time, repeat on the keyboard. This is, I don't even know what that is. This is the cursor repeat rate. This is a mouse acceleration settings, I think. This is how you can adjust the background. You fill it in however you wish. I'm going to make it a little stupid little design here. There, it's good enough. And then you click here, and it changes the background. This is double click speed, and that's I mean, it was pretty much it. I mean, this is the first foray into it, commercial foray into it. So that's pretty much it. And as you notice, there is no shutdown. This system was basically power on, power off, done. And well, this is how you do it in Mini vMac. Control Q, Y, done. Now, System 2, which, as you can see, has an E on it, so I can run that in the enhanced resolution. Now, this right here is emulating a Mac 2 ROM. Alright, and let's do this. Wait a minute. Come on. Just give me, it's just not, oh, Jesus. It doesn't like me today. It's making me look like an asshole. There we go. And Finder, and poof, done. This is, and like the first few versions of Mac OS system software really didn't have too much with them. I mean, they're meant to be basic operating systems that you would add software to. You needed software to run the system. In addition to the operating system, there was barely any features. and System Software 2. I think it has a notepad in it, but I can't find it. So, yeah. About the Finder. So, I know I didn't show you the Finder version 1, but it doesn't matter. Basically, that's that. I mean, you can get software to run on here. All I have is ClarisWorks at the moment, and that won't run on this system. But if you're running this on native hardware, or even on the mini vMac, you can find software for it. But the problem is, for me, I don't have them, nor do I care to look up what will work and what won't work. And this system actually has, starting with System 2, a shutdown option. But let me go through this. About the Finder, you've seen that. I don't know where the control panel is. I don't know where the control panel is. But show clipboard, eject, no. Version, yeah, okay, yeah, Finder. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I mean, it probably has a control panel, but like I said, I can't find it. Yeah, I errored the system out by doing that. Oh well, I've shown you all I can out of it anyway. That's System 2. On to the next one. Okay, load up. There you go. It's got to remain the frontmost page so it can load, because I think it stops processing when it's in the background. Alright, there we go. About the Finder. Raise it up a few notches. And alarm clock, which remains largely unchanged. Calculator, which they actually did the right thing, and I don't know why they did this to start with, but the plus sign was down here. And now it's up here where it should be on normal calculator. So 4 plus 4, they still don't show you the tape, equals 8. And let's do the chooser. Select the printer port. No Apple Talk. Apple Talk. Yeah, okay. I don't have Apple Talk installed. Let's do control panel. And they made it a little better. They made it a little better. Now you can still do the same blah 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 blah, blah stuff right here. Yeah, you can click and it applies it. Apple Talk disconnected. I don't have it. I don't want to screw with that. And they actually put you didn't have to figure it out for yourself. Your double click speed. Mouse, they actually labeled the control panel sections. And of course this is the system volume. And I can't, for some reason I can't get the volume on this one. RAM cache. Rate of insertion point blinking, keyboard repeat rate, delay until repeat, blah 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 blah. It's pretty much that. And let's see what's in the system drive, utilities folder, desk accessories, notepad, open, no, cancel, close, quit. And you can install this to a disk, which, you know, actually I'm gonna do that for you. I'm gonna attempt to. I haven't done this on this version yet, but we'll see. Macintosh Plus. Maybe not. Maybe if I were to okay, untitled. What's on untitled? Nothing? Maybe I have to start it with it in there. Right. Okay. System tools. Okay, well maybe I can't. Okay. But basically that's pretty much it. Show you this. Mac Plus update, fonts, folder, blah 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 blah. Quit. Alright, basically that's that. System folds in the system folder. System Finder, Laser Writer, blah 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 blah, scrapbook. And that's basically that system in that system. Yeah, I did show you that. Alright, and alarm clock. Yeah, I showed you that. Alright, and they kept the shutdown. Poof, done. And there's that system. System 4. Again, this is the first one. This is not the first one, but this is the second one that I can't use the higher resolution on. So there goes that. Let it load. Drag it over. Poof, done. Now, this version has been refined and improved since it has general keyboard and mouse sections. And if they still have the same old, let's make this different. Let's do it this way. All right, and then apply. Pure white. All the same time. And you actually get the option of a 12 or 24-hour clock here. And RAM cache is up to 128. And system volume. Yep, there you go. And they've got this, and you can choose domestic or internationals, and mouse. They have its own basically they sectioned it off, and for some reason tablet is in here, so I'm assuming the System 4 actually supported a tablet of some sort. So I don't know, no idea. And alarm clock, calculator, and I think this one shows you the ticker tape. No, it does not. Yeah, okay. I didn't hit the 4. Keycaps. Yes, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see what's in the system root folder. See utilities folders. Installer. You know, maybe it's possible to... Maybe it's possible to install on this one. I don't know. Let me try and mount this and see. ClarisWorks won't work. Wait. Yeah, no, ClarisWorks works. Will it work? I don't think it will. No, it won't. I was right and wrong at the same time. Anyway, all right. Let me try the Apple hard drive setup. Come on. SCSI device, drive insertion failed on the suitable drive. Searching for SCSI drives. Nope, not able to do it. Alright, but anyway, you can. Boom. Figuring sizes. Wait. Actually, I can. Maybe. Let's try and run this through. Installation on Untitled was successful. Quit. So let's try something here. Boom. Boom. Close this out. Shut. Oh, shut down. Let me switch out the Mac. Yay. Let's try something. Yeah. Yes, you can actually install this onto a hard drive. And I actually have this hard drive set up as a... What's the capacity? 20 megabyte drive. So, and it doesn't seem like a lot, but that's a lot for this. So yes, you can actually have this on a 20 megabyte disk, and you can install programs without having to insert additional disk images. So anyway, but yes, did I go through this? I don't know. I probably, yes I did, because I set the background white. Alright, and that's pretty much that, except for, and you can set startup, finder, multi-finder, and blah 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 blah. Alright, and that's that. So let's move on to System 6. Alright. Now, System 6 will run in the more higher resolution. And I know I clicked too soon, but oh well. Boom. And there we go. System 6. Let's do about this finder. And it actually shows that. 8 megabytes of memory. Alarm clock. Calculator. 4. They moved this again. They moved it. Plus should be here. Plus 4 equals 8. And control panel. Chooser. control panel. They've added monitors and color to this, as well as a sound and a startup device section. So let's go through those. General is basically the same as it's always been, and RAM cache, and this could do color, but of course this is monochrome. Yeah, okay. Example, change color. I can't do it because it's detecting a monochrome monitor. Keyboard, repeat rate and delay, monitors, black and white, color. Convergence test. Yeah, see, it's a monochrome monitor, otherwise, you know, whatever. And let's see what's in the system drive. Setup folder. Installer, you can install this too. System, startup device, DA handler, key layout. Okay, you can't do that. Yeah. Okay. Well, you know, let's try it. First, no, yeah, I can't do that. Let's try installing it, huh? Let's try installing this mofo. Or motherfucker, whatever you want. Oh, first I gotta, oh shit. First I gotta insert the system, a drive. And then I had Macintosh SE. Can do plus. Which one to do? Doesn't matter, probably. Done and quit. Now, let's do let's do I have no freaking clue. I have no fucking clue what to do. You know what, let's do this. No, I gotta show you about this first. And there you go. Or did I show you that? I don't know. But let's do a boot up with the quote-unquote hard disk. System disk, poof. And now you have it on a hard drive where you no longer have to swap disks after you install something. And let's run ClarisWorks. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I actually used the wrong version. I had System 6.608 and I didn't use it for the video. Stupid me. Stupid me. Well, okay. Wait, did I? Wait a minute. It's just that System 2. No. Okay, fine. I didn't, you know what, I had System 608 on the hard drive originally, probably. Alright. Well, anyway, that's basically how that works, and if you have the right version, it would run. I'll show you ClarisWorks on 7. But anyway, yes, that's how you boot and install System 6. Alright. Now let's make sure I showed you this. Yeah, okay, I did. Anyway. Wait, is that different? No, they removed options. Probably because it doesn't detect a monochrome anymore. Alright, let's do a shutdown. Alright, now System 6E. Now, here comes the beast. 7. This I will show you how to install. Drop over 1, and then boom. Now you need to take your system disk and drag it over. Now I'm going to do customize, and I'm going, you know what, actually I'm going to do everything for you. I'm going to do everything for you, and I'm going to install it. I like how the hand starts counting fingers. Removing the outdated files because I suspect that I actually had System 7 installed on here already. Install disk 2. I have a low resolution monitor. Tidbits, whatever you want to call that. Printers. Fonts. Insert disk 1. Finish install. And then, why would you want to continue? Let's do a shutdown and then a restart. And we no longer have to do any of that BS bullshit. We just insert the hard drive we did it on, and it has this here because it's probably set for a lower resolution. And here is System 7. 0.1, whatever I want to call it. And again, 8.2 megs. Let's see what we got. Alarm clock has never been changed. Calculator. I think this shows you the ticker tape, and they didn't change it. No, it does not. I swear. Oh my God. I must be thinking of a different software operating version. Control panel. Now this is what they did. They don't have like a collection. They have individual apps, as you would call it. Let's do open up easy access first. Mouse keys. There you go. General controls. This was the version of what they had. Desktop pattern, blinking rate, menu blinking, 12 and 24 hour clock date. Okay, there you go. Keyboard options. Repeat rate and delay, US layout, labels, and this probably would be helpful. Be helpful if you had a color monitor. Map. Get longitude and latitudes. Memory. Cache size. Mouse. Tracking rate and double click speed. Sharing setup. Nah, I'm not going to go through that. Sound. It's not coming through on my end, but it may on yours. I like the quack. It might be because I'm using a Mac 2 ROM. I don't know if that had a built-in speaker or not. I'll try running it on the original version after I'm done. Users and groups. Guest. Yeah. Views. Fonts view. Yeah, okay. Straight grid, staggered grid, icons, organizations. Always snap to grid. List views. Yeah, there's that. And that's pretty much. Wait, hold on. Is there more? No, there's not. That's pretty much that. Under the, yeah, there. I hate how it does that. System folder. Apple menu items, control panels, finder, scrapbook, preferences, startup items, and yada 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 yada. Some of these extensions. Apple share, caps lock. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Preferences. Yada 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 yada. Apple menu items. Notepad. Is Notepad in there? Yes, it is. There you go. Oopsie. Drop the microphone. Anyway, yeah, there's that. And that is System 7 in this one. Now, I'm going to... what's this? Nothing? Okay. I'm going to try this in the other version of Mini vMac because it doesn't seem to me that the audio is working on this. Shut down. Let's try that one. Apparently, yes, you can use the same image as long as you have the ROM. Now, let me try something. Control panel is what it was. Let's do sound. Clack. Yeah, it's at least coming through on my end, but it's, I guess the Mac 2 ROM doesn't support the sound card, at least in the configuration that it's in here. Okay, that's enough of that. Try a little beat there. All right. Pretty much. Let me see. Memory mouse views. Yeah, well, that's all right. That's basically everything. General controls. Well, why is this all the way over there? Oh, because yeah, the other one. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to include both setups of the mini vMac, but you got to figure the one that is in higher resolution is obviously for a Mac, has a Mac 2 ROM. Now that obviously won't be perfect when it comes to sound. So if you're playing games on it, you may want to sacrifice and use the normal mini vMac, as I call it. So, and I will not be including the operating systems nor the system disks, but I will be including a blank disk to use as a system disk. You are responsible for getting the operating systems. Okay? Remember that. There will be no operating systems included with any of the links that I give you. Since I may be including the ROM, but I ain't providing the operating systems. Now, I fully support pirating and don't pay for anything. No. It should be a public service or whatever you want to call it. But I'm not going to help you. See, it's legal to support pirating, but it's not legal to, actually do it. So I can't condone that, but I'm not going to condemn it either. So, and basically that's that. So my next video will be on how to use OS 9 on Intel and getting applications into the operating system, which is a little bit more involved. So, alright, that's pretty much it. So, have a nice one. Oh shit, I never actually showed you MacDraw. Oh yeah, never mind. Okay, hold on. Bring that over. I showed you wait, I didn't even show you ClarisWorks. What is wrong with me? I swear to God. Did I show you? No, I didn't show you ClarisWorks. I showed it on 6. I don't even know if I even did it. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll do it anyway. Let's do this. Okay, installer. Drag it over and install it. Wait, install it. And you have to. This is assuming you did the install for 7, of course. Install. It's going to ask you for the other images. Okay, what is it? Program, right? Program. I don't know if I did this before. I'm not keeping track, but and it doesn't process in the background. Let that be known. I don't think. References. Help. Communication. HyperTor. Installer. Poof. Now, why would you want to continue? Alright. Untitled. Now, ClarisWorks is in there. Let's eject this, actually. Now, ClarisWorks. Now, none. You don't have to put a registration number in. Which means technically it's not licensed, but there's that. And alright, that's basically that. That's ClarisWorks. And how to install it. So, okay, now have a good one. Wait, is there any more software I didn't install? Wait a minute. Wait. Yeah, MacDraw. Duh. Okay. Oh my God. Stupid me. I don't suspect this one is to install. No. And it's basically it's called MacDraw. And there, basic program. There you go. There's MacDraw. And to install MacDraw, as it would be, you would literally, I guess, drag it over. And then you can, I guess, for reference, no, you can't. That has to be, empty trash. Oy, it's still open. This is one of the one of the things I hated about this software, this OS version. Oh shit balls! I deleted it. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's pretty much that. I think I removed the. Oh, that's great. Yeah, I did. I ruined the disk image. All right, whatever. I didn't intend on keeping it anyway. So, but that was MacDraw. So there you go. And I don't have anything else. No, that's pretty much that. Okay, the next video will be using OS 9 on Sheep Shaver on Intel. And well, have a good one.